How to link your 8-ball pool account to Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. If you are an 8-ball pool and want to link your account to Facebook, then first of all open the 8-ball pool application on your device. From the main menu, once you open up the game, you will see different login options. Login with Facebook, Google Play, login with Miniclip, or play as a guest. To log in with Facebook, click on Login with Facebook option. Now on the next page, you'll need to go ahead and enter your Facebook account's credentials. Go ahead and write down your Facebook account's email and password, and once you do that, you'll see this pop up. Click on the Continue option. Right after you do that, you'll be able to log in to 8-ball pool with Facebook. Your progress will be associated with your Facebook login, making it easier to play with friends and access your account on supported devices. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.